The 6 Hours of Imola kicks our season off in front of a sea of red. He's on pole position! Down the inside, Miguel Molina. Hansen getting shouldered out of the way.
Makes me stronger.
Position!
Yes! Yes! Grande Ferrari! Grande Ferrari! Forza Ferrari!
Welcome back everybody to Imola, to the Autodromo Enzo Edino Ferrari, the opening race of the 2026 FIA World Endurance Championship. In a moment to start the season, on the right of your picture, the 51 Ferrari from pole position. On the left-hand side, Brendan Hartley with more white on the car, the Toyota, and already under pressure down the inside, Miguel Molina looking for second place. Ferrari 1-2, 20 BMW getting ahead of 83. Gain is the other BMW, 15 on the 83 car, Phil Hansen. Hansen getting shouldered out of the way, but he's got the inside line there. Driver change here at the 50 Ferrari as well. 83 goes back out. Yefei takes over Phil Hansen. And in comes the seat for Alessandro Pierguidi. With a run up the hill, Anthony Davidson, he's got alongside the Toyota, but the road goes left and Giovinazzi just can't hang on the way the GT cars.
He's right there, this is going to be close, coming down to Ravazza.
Okay, that's P2 for today. Podium at home.
Thank you guys.